Hey, this is Jeffrey, and today I'm going to show you a really cool new feature that SEMRush has recently unveiled that's called the keyword gap. Now, what this will allow you to do is to quickly and easily find questions that are being asked in your market. And the benefit to using this tactic is that unlike other questions where you have to actually go and vet them, these are actually phrases that your top competitors are ranking for, sites like Quora.com, WikiHow. We're going to use those as a baseline so that we can triangulate data. And then by adding a third site, which is your competitor site, and then using a couple of really cool filters, essentially what you're going to be able to do is quickly and easily determine what types of questions are being asked in your market that A, once again, your competitors are ranking for, and B, that you can actually target in your blog posts, in your video ideas, and your titles and things of that nature. So this is how you do this technique. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go over to SEMRush. Underneath the gap analysis section over here, you're going to click keyword gap. Next, you're going to enter the domains of your top competitors, but we always like to use Quora and WikiHow as an example. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to actually add our top competitor. And since we're looking at things that are related to SEO plugins, since we have an SEO plugin that's called SEO Ultimate, one of our main competitors is Yoast. So I'm going to go ahead and use Yoast.com as an example for this site. After you have three, I've noticed that when you add more than three, you can almost, the data gets a little jarbled. So we found that using 3 domains is really the best for this. You're going to go ahead and click go. After that, it's going to go out and drill each one of these sites. And just as the Vesica Pisces symbol or the overlapping circles indicates here, it's going to look at common keywords that are shared between the 2 or 3 domains that you list here. So I'm just going to go ahead and let it drill these keywords. And when it's done, we're going to go ahead and scroll down. Now you can see that there are 22 million keywords on Quora. You can see 5.9 million on WikiHow. Yoast has 7,400. And as a result of that, you can see these phrases. The cool thing about it is it shows you which domain has which position for the keywords, the actual volume, keyword difficulty, cost per click, competitive thresholds, and competing results. It's looking in broad match. But here's where the cool part happens. So if you go down to advanced filters, and since we're looking for things that are related to SEO, we're going to do that. I'm going to add one more filter, and I'm going to ask the question, or the modifier rather, how. And when I apply this, I'll just let you see what happens next. And voila, just like magic, now we have the modifier of the word how. So obviously you can use how, you can use other modifiers like why, etc. But you get the point here that you can data mine proven keyword ideas. You can see that Quora, for example, has how to blog for SEO. You can see the positions for WikiHow and Yoast. Nonetheless, this is a treasure trove of proven keywords that you can mine from your competitors by mining the gap from using this new feature inside of SEMRush. All right, so let's keep moving.